Now I want to bring in video so that we'll see how to cut and how to correct video. So I'm bringing it to, this is a video file, I'm bringing it to the overlay track, in fact to the video track. If you want to cut, you select it, and once it has been selected, you click on where you want to. Let's say we need to cut somewhere here. You could see the scissors. When the cursor was here, this scissors is not highlighted. But once we bring the cursor to the media, let's say we need to cut from here, the cursor is highlighted and we can easily just click on it. Then we have it split into two. So that is how to cut. If we need to maybe correct these, what we need to do visually, we can click on the toggle option. We can reverse. If you play back, ordinarily if you play, this thing is just going from, but we can click on it to go in the reverse. Click on it, click on option, reverse video. If you should play, it will be going backward. You see? You see? That's because of the effect. To correct this as a video, this is a one I cut. To correct this, it can be done by going to color, and as you can see, we have so many effects here, and bring the cursor on it so that we can see what is going on. So we can, under color here, let's say you can just brighten it. Bright, you see, is brightened. Default, see, dark before, but by brightening, you can see, you can even increase the exposure to give it a kind of, see. So you can let's return it back to 0. That's color correction. You can come to tone and just a kind of strong contrast. You see the black adjustment. Let's return it default. You can come here and change the lightness, and by just toggling these, you toggle down, you see the black changing, and that's color manipulation of the video. You can increase. It's not only that you can just tune it down. You can increase if it is a value that is comfortable for you. You can do that through values, through adjustment of the value. I'm returning it back to 0, and it will give you a sort of color correction for the whole thing. You can change the saturation. It will be changing. It's changing as it is. It's changing. So that is how to do color correction. And I'm returning it back to default. There is lens, in which you can lens has to do with the angle that a shot is taken. I want to do the radial distortion for this visual, and I can do that by just toggling this. You can see what is happening there. So see, I'm working on the lens. So if I play back this thing, that's how it will be. See, that kind of visual effect is because I've adjusted the lens. So there are many things that can be done. I will advise that you work around the whole visual, work around this program, try many features, and you will be able to get things done perfectly by the time you practice daily. So because it can't be done just within a day. No, it can't be done within a day. It's what you need constant practice, and until you practice constantly, that is when you'll be able to learn better. So I will advise on that, and just try things out. You try with many aspects of the program. So with that, this thing can be, let me just quickly demonstrate on this. One of the, I've shown you how to do subtitling, I've done cutting of the video, I've done color manipulation to darken to brighten, I've worked on the reverse, making use of the reverse. And one thing that can also be done is to do pan and zoom in. Once this place is clicked, you can manipulate these either on the fly or animated, whichever way that you want it, and just drag. If you look here, you could see that he's zooming on this. So if we play, you could see this is the old frame, but he's zooming on the head and playing only the head. So there are many things that can be done. All you need to do is keep practicing and you will learn better. So that's how to do color correction. I've shown you how to do subtitling.